How much is chef's salary in Belarus? As of my last update in September 2021, the salary of a chef in Belarus can vary significantly based on factors such as experience, qualifications, the type of establishment, and the specific role within the culinary industry. Economic conditions, the region within Belarus, and the size and reputation of the restaurant also play a role in determining salaries. Here's a rough estimate of the salary range for chefs in Belarus. Commis Chef. Entry-level commis chefs might earn a monthly salary ranging from BYN 800 to BYN 1,500, depending on the establishment and experience. Demi Chef de Partie. Intermediate-level Demi Chefs de Partie can earn between BYN 1,000 to BYN 2,000 per month. Chef de Partie. Experienced chef de parties in Belarus can expect a monthly salary ranging from BYN 1,200 to BYN 2,500 or more. Sous chef. Senior chef sous chefs might earn between BYN 1,500 to BYN 3,000 per month, depending on experience and the size of the restaurant. Executive chef. Head chef. Executive chefs, who hold top leadership positions, can earn anywhere from BYN 2,000 to BYN 4,000 or more per month. Salaries for executive chefs can vary widely based on the establishment's size and reputation. Please note that these figures are approximate and can vary based on the specific factors mentioned earlier. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to check local culinary job listings. Consult with local culinary professionals, or contact restaurants and hotels directly in Belarus. Additionally, the economic situation and other factors in the region might have changed since my last update.